Today we gotta talk backpack armor. Not just for kids, but I mean, your bug out bag, your everyday carry bag. Do you want to haul around an armored vest all day? Or, you know, have something you can be protected with in something that you're carrying every day anyway instead of an additional item. Boy, I'm great at talking on video. Yeah, got the Armored Republic AR500 hard level 3+ lightweight, quote unquote. This thing is not what I would call lightweight. Like, you don't want to be carrying this around all day. This is heavy duty. I mean, if you can imagine this in an armored vest setup, this would just be torture to be walking around with not, you know, just one, but two of these in side plates. So that should be a consideration with the hard plates for backpack or vest. These are really freaking heavy. And yeah, imagine that doubled or, you know, quadrupled with side plates. But this right here, this is what I would really call lightweight. The soft body armor. Same company here. AR500 armor from Armored Republic. This is just 3A. Couldn't find the 3A+. But, yeah. I'm hoping this will fit right in my backpack. It's a standard size, not one of those custom fit to your name brand backpack deals. But, this is more lightweight, so if you want to get something for your backpack or vest, I would recommend the soft. Just wish it came in a higher rating. That would be sweet. This is a Satori hemp backpack for anybody who's wondering. It is several years old. Not sure if they still make them. Maybe. Check that out. It's lasting quite a while so far. And, yeah. Fits right in here. Beautiful. This lighter soft armor really doesn't add that much weight, especially compared to the hard, allegedly lightweight armor, which is mad heavy. This definitely does add weight. They're all going to, but way better on the soft armor. So can't even tell it's in there.